Hi guys! Today we're going to learn how to connect Spotify to your TV. First, unlock your phone and open the Spotify app. Once it opens, you'll land on the main home screen where all your playlists and options are visible. This is where we start connecting your music to the TV. Next, look at the bottom left side and tap on the search icon. This is where you can find any song you want to play on your TV. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Just pick any song from your recent searches or library. Now, tap on the top right search bar, type in any song, and start playing it. This step is important because the song needs to be active for the device connection to appear. Once the song is playing, you'll see a small tab of the song at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to open the full playback options. This lets you access the devices menu to connect to your TV. Next, tap on the device's icon at the bottom right. Here you'll see all available devices, including your TV. Make sure both your mobile and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is on, so Spotify can detect your TV. Finally, select your TV from the list of available devices. Once connected, your Spotify will start playing directly on your TV, giving you a bigger and better audio experience. And that's it. Now you can enjoy all your Spotify music directly on your TV. It's simple, fast, and really makes your listening experience much better. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if this helped you.